Join me as I take on the challenge of finding ways to make more money without lifting a finger. Can I really do it? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing a notification that you've made money while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this dream could be your reality? In today's video, we're going to explore how you can make more money without lifting a finger through strategies that work while you're living your life, doing the things you love. Let's dive in and see if I can really pull this off. Making money effortlessly. It sounds like something out of a fairy tale, doesn't it? But here's the thing. It's not a fairy tale. It's actually a very achievable reality for anyone willing to learn how to work smarter, not harder. In this video, we're going to uncover the different ways you can generate passive income that flows into your account without requiring constant time or effort on your part. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a long-term financial strategy, there's something for everyone. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Making money effortlessly sounds great. But how? A lot of people believe that making more money means working more hours, taking on extra jobs, or sacrificing their personal time. If you're like most people, you've probably felt stuck in the 9 to 5 grind, wondering if there's any way out. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that working harder isn't always the solution? In fact, most of us have been conditioned to think that the only way to make more money is by investing more time. This is why so many people feel burnt out, overwhelmed, and frustrated, because they're chasing the wrong strategy. You're led to believe that you need to be at the office longer, work evenings or weekends, and sacrifice your personal life just to stay afloat. But what if making more money didn't require that? The truth is, many of us have misconceptions about what it takes to earn more. We think we need specialized skills or years of experience. Maybe we feel like we need to have a large following on social media or start some complicated business. But here's the real truth. Making more money can be much simpler than you think. So let's take a closer look at a few strategies that can help you make money without actively working for it. These are passive income streams that allow you to earn money over time, even when you're not putting in constant effort. Investing in stocks and real estate. One of the most well-known ways to make money without lifting a finger is by investing. Whether it's in the stock market or real estate, investing allows your money to work for you. Let's start with dividend-paying stocks. When you buy shares in certain companies, those companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, often quarterly. This means you can earn a steady stream of income without doing anything once you've made the initial investment. For example, if you invest in a company that pays a 4% annual dividend, your investment could grow and keep paying you without you needing to do any additional work. Real estate is another way to build passive income. When you invest in rental properties, you can earn rent every month. Yes, there's work up front, buying the property, possibly fixing it up, but once that's done, you've set yourself up for long-term income. And for some people, real estate can be hands-off if you hire a property management company to handle everything. This means you can earn money month after month without lifting a finger. Digital product. Another excellent way to make money effortlessly is through digital products. Think of things like ebooks, online courses, or even apps. These products are created once and then sold repeatedly. Once you've put in the effort to create and set up your product, you can make money on autopilot. For example, I'm sure you've heard of platforms like Udemy or Teachable. They allow you to create an online course and host it on their platform. Once the course is uploaded, it can keep selling without you needing to do anything. Imagine spending a few weeks creating a course on a topic you're passionate about. Over time, you can generate income from it while doing something entirely different. The key to this strategy is identifying a profitable niche. Maybe you're good at graphic design, marketing, or a hobby like photography. By creating a course on these subjects, you're helping people solve a problem, and in return, you get paid. Your course works for you while you focus on other things. Climax/key moment. But let's talk about the strategy that's worked best for me, and the one I think could work for many of you: selling an online course. I'll be honest, when I first thought about creating an online course, I had my doubts. But after creating and launching my first one, I realized just how powerful this method really is. Once I created the course, I could sell it repeatedly without doing anything extra. The beauty of this method is that after the initial time and effort of creating the content, the income becomes passive. And I'm not alone in this. Many people have found success with online courses. The key is to create something that provides value, something that solves a problem or teaches a skill that people are willing to pay for. And once it's out there, it can keep earning for years. Examples and stories. For example, Let's look at Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income. He made his first big passive income by creating an online course about passing an architectural exam. He worked hard to create the content, but once it was created, he continued to earn money for years from a single product. That's the power of creating an online course. Another example is Amy Porterfield, who built a massive business teaching others how to create their own online courses. She's not just making money from her courses, but she's also helping others do the same, and she's doing this without having to create new content every single day. These are people who have cracked the code for building wealth with very little ongoing effort. And trust me, you can do it too. To recap, making money without lifting a finger is possible. It just requires the right mindset and strategies. Whether it's through investing, creating digital products, or building an online course, there are multiple avenues for earning money passively. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech expert, have a huge following, or have tons of capital up front. What you do need is dedication, the willingness to learn, and consistency. Once you've set up these passive income streams, your money works for you, giving you the freedom to enjoy your time however you wish. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these passive income strategies? Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let's chat about your experiences or thoughts. And if you want to learn more about creating an online business that works for you, check out my next video, where I'll walk you through the steps of setting up a successful side hustle from scratch. Thanks for watching, and remember, financial freedom is possible with the right strategies in place.